Hi, Philip here from Bigfoot YouTube channel, and today really short unboxing of what's inside of this box, and that's DJI Mini 3 Pro. So let's see what's in the box. Ooh. And here it is, DJI Mini 3 Pro. That's my first ever drone, so it will be fun. It will be fun. Also, I bought a helipad for the drone, which I'll show you here in a second. Whoa. Now, let's dive into unboxing. Well, I'm charging the Mavic Mini 3 Pro now. I'm charging the remote control as well. In the meantime, I've updated software on the drone, on the controller, and I've updated zones as well, fly zones. I also bought the DJI Refresh for 2 years, as this is my first drone ever. In the meantime, while charging the drone and the remote control, I'm going to tell you about the sponsor of today's video, which is 365vibesstore.com, where you can buy hoodies, t-shirts, mugs, crop tops for ladies, and t-shirt dresses for ladies as well. visit 365vibesstore.com. In the meantime, follow the link underneath the video because you can win a t-shirt or a mug. And the only thing you need to do is actually visit my website, visit my YouTube channel, and visit my other socials, and take part in May prize draw, which I will do in the beginning of June. And the first t-shirt went to States, and the second t-shirt went to Poland. I have this London here. That's all for today. That was really short unboxing. I will be making more videos about this drone and very soon. It's still charging, but it is tiny. It is tiny. I know I will take those stickers off soon. You have the obstacle avoidance sensors, and the bottom ones, the front ones, and the rear ones. So yeah, pretty much that is all for today. Stay tuned, subscribe for more videos, and that's my first drone ever, so pretty much you'll be able to go and fly with me my first couple of attempts. I forgot to mention that I've put a 128 gigabyte micro SD card into the drone and 64 gigabytes micro SD card into the remote controller. So yeah, now they're charging. While they are charging, I'm unable to obviously fly. So let's hope that they will charge anytime soon, and I still might be able to actually do a quick takeoff. So let's hope for it. I do have DJI refresh, so I'm more confident now that if something goes south, then I will get the new drone. Well, nonetheless, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers!